Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. The job ahead of us today is to simplify this expression, and the techniques we're going to use obviously involve the use of fractional indices, the use of subtraction of indices where we've got a division, and the multiplication of indices where we have an index outside a bracket like this. Okay, so let's have a look at this. So we've got 6 times ab to the power of 2 over 3, all on 216a, 4 on 3b. Now, it's useful to note that 216 is 6 to the power of 3. So we may well be able to make use of that. Okay, so let's get to work. And what I've done is I've written this out because I worked this out earlier and tried to do it on camera, and my working is just too messy. So here's the tidy version of it. So our first step is to recognize that a is a to the power of 1 and b is b to the power of 1. And then we can apply the rules about subtraction of indices when we're dividing bases that are the same. So if we come over here, the result of subtracting 4 over 3 from 1 is negative 1 over 3, and 1 from 2 over 3 is negative 1 over 3. And that just leaves us with 216 on the bottom of this expression. And this is all to the power of 2 over 3. Now, the 3 here is the root, and this is the power. And that's really important here. Okay, well, the rules say that where we have a situation like this, we multiply this index by each of the indices here, and the index of this thing, 216, is 216 to the power of 1. Again, that's handy because it sets up what we're going to do. Okay, so dealing with this first, this is 216 to the power of 1 times 2 over 3, which gives us 216 to the power of 2 over 3. And I'm just going to scrawl in here what this means. It means this. Hopefully you can see that. Just let me get that into shot. So the third root of 216 is 6. And we raise that to the power of 2, which explains my next move, which is here. 216 to the power of 2 on 3 is 36. So that's dealt with the denominator. Now, this times this is negative 2 over 9. We simply multiply numerator and denominator. And we get the same for a. Negative 1 over 3 times 2 over 3 gives us 2 over 9. And because these are negative, we can move those to the denominator. We can move these down below the division here and make these powers positive. And for once I've written in definitively positive powers to show the process. Move these down, make the powers positive. Okay, so here we have 1 over 36a to the power of 2 over 9, b to the power of 2 over 9, all times 6. 6 and 36 have common factors 6, so this can cancel. That's a 6 there, badly written. And the result that we get, with a little bit of grouping, is we have a 6 in the bottom row here, 6. A a to the power of 2 over 9 times b to the power of 2 over 9 is the same as a times b to the power of 2 over 9. And this is our answer. It's a bit of a process, but it's an indication of how you work through these things. It's a fool's errand to rush this. It really pays to go slowly and think about each step, because it's so easy to make a mistake. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time.